Hi, my name is Eric. Welcome to my moving bag warehouse. We stock all sizes of heavy-duty moving bags, perfect for moving, storage or bulk deliveries. Made from extra thick tear-resistant material with reinforced zippers and strong handles, they're built to carry heavy loads with ease. Plus, they're moisture-proof and dust-proof to keep everything safe. Whether you need a few for home or hundreds for business, we've got the quality, stock and speed you can rely on. I'm Eric, here to make your moving and storage simple and stress-free.